Well, Caltrol is an intermediary between manufacturers and the end users, which are a number of different industries. We cater to the petroleum industry, the utility industry, food producers, manufacturers, pretty much anybody out there who does industrial type work. What we do is what's called flow management and flow engineering. And what we do is automate and make the process of things flowing through pipes work better. So if anything flows through a pipe, we usually have some hand in either regulating that process, regulating the flow, or in some way providing the process and the equipment to go ahead and make it efficient. Most of the people who help our customers are Fortune 500 type companies. In the refining and petroleum industry, in the food industry, in the areas of chemicals and biosciences. We were looking for a cloud-based partner that would work with us to go ahead and use a cloud scenario where customers could log in, we could log in, we could give permissions necessary to go ahead and control that process, but at the same time we would be able to provide the data regarding the customer's assets immediately to them. And that worked out really well. The customer can view the assets and the job that's taking place when we go through an inspection or a calibration or whatever we're doing. And they can view that immediately on their phone, on their iPad, or on their computer. So that's worked out real well for us. We found that you would support everything that we needed and that you could provide a solution that allowed unlimited number of users, which right now we have quite several hundred users out there, both customers and people that are in the field. So it was really easy access, ability to go ahead and provide, again, the cloud-based solution, and that's what led us to you. Security obviously is important. We're dealing with nuclear plants, we're dealing with customers who want confidentiality of their information. Well, some of the things we're seeing is as we've gotten further into this, the customer is a little bit more demanding in terms of, well, can I get something this way, or can I have a report that looks this way or different, or I want to reorganize this. So having flexibility in the reporting structure, having that available so it could be accessed on a easily done basis, adjusted to meet the customer demand, is important to it. You know, having a good percentage of uptime is extremely important. Obviously, when you're out taking a survey and you've got 4 or 5 people out in a plant and they're accessing information and doing that, having the things work is important. So that's one of the things that we've had real good success with. I don't know the exact percentage of uptime, but it has to be 99 point something. One of the things, the ticketing system is very responsive. You open a ticket, you hear almost immediately back. You know, you usually have somebody who is a technician who's getting at the issue and trying to resolve or figure out, you know, what problem may be experienced.